Yo, what's good, y'all? What's good? I'm back. I'm gonna just show you guys. Bam. Let me know what you think about these. What's good? It's Ant on the Go. It's your boy. I'm back. Ant on the Go. You already know. Make sure you subscribe if you like the video. If you don't, let me know. It's all good. But yeah, these are the Offwhites. You know, I haven't took these out in a while. You know, and yeah, I'm about to sell them basically. I think today is the day that I let these go. Let me know if you guys seen these Offwhites. These Offwhites is so fire. Let me know. I'm about to get rid of these. These about to go bye-bye. Yeah, I copped these on a app, sneakers app. It was like what? Damn, I forgot when. Whenever these came out. I think these came out like, probably I want to say like 2019. I think these came out around that time. Maybe I think like 2019. These came out 2019 or 2020, one of those two. But these are amazing. Amazing Off-White blazers. You know, you can see the details in the back. You see, oh man, the all black with the little hint of orange right here on the tab is fire. I love the white check. The white check is fire. Love the box. It give you free laces, white laces. I think I had another shoelace. I don't even remember, but you got the swoosh box, you know. Fire. What can you say? And then you got the two sneakers. Let me know if you guys seen these. You know, Off-Whites. I'm about to sell them to my customer. I'm about to, you know, ship it to him. Hopefully he likes it and stuff like that. And yeah, you know what I'm saying? These are dope. You know, I'm surprised that I'm selling it now, but yeah. You know, the holidays are coming. So let me know, guys, if you need anything. Black Off-Whites, you know, not much I can say. I mean, all black with the white check, with the Nike. I love what Virgil did. You know what I'm saying? Damn, it's crazy about what happened. But yeah, crazy. Look at the details of the word. I love how he did that. Virgil was, you know, he's creative. You know what I'm saying? He was you know, a really creative guy, and what he did to Nike and innovate the brand. How much he helped Nike push. You know what I'm saying? It's epic, you know? I think this is a fabulous sneaker. Amazing. I was trying to get my toe size. Let me know, guys. If you have a toe size, maybe I'll get these in my toe. Hopefully. Yeah. The Off-White blazer. They came out with an orange pair, but I wasn't able to get... Did I get that one? Actually, I did get that one. Yeah, I did get that one. I sold that one a while ago. I'm trying to think. Do I remember getting it? But yeah, I did get it. But yeah, I'm gonna miss these though. Yeah, guys. But yeah, let me know if you like videos like this. Make sure you subscribe to my channel. You know, I'm gonna be doing a whole lot of steals and deals for Black Friday. So enjoy, guys. See you later. And on the go over and out. Step your style up, step your game up. Enjoy your day. Yeah, guys, so you already know these Off-Whites are super fire. Off-White blazer, you know what I'm saying? Halloween pack. I ain't get the other color, but this color is super fire. Woo! Look at the black. Oh, my God. Team Off-White. This was an era where everybody was fiending. It was a release. Around this era, it was so many drops. Oh, my God. Off-White. Shout out to Virgil, you know what I'm saying? R.I.P., you know what I'm saying? Virgil, you did amazing, you know what I'm saying? This shit is fire. Let me know what you think about the quality on these Off-White blazers, guys. And let me know if you got these. Shit, I'm about to sell these sneakers. It's about to go. But if you guys want them, let me know. These are size 6.5. And yeah. Yeah, guys, so you already know. Look at the details. Oh, man. All black with a little hint of orange on the tab. Oh, man. The quality on these blazers are amazing, too. Ooh, look at that. Oh, my God. These are super fire, fire, fire. Oh, man. Make sure you guys subscribe. Ain't on the go-go. You already know I be lit. And, yeah, you know, I get many different sneakers. This is not my only Off-White. I have many, many Off-Whites, you know, that I sold, that I still have. But, yeah, 2024, this year about to be lit. You know what I'm saying? I'm about to get more. Hopefully, they come out with more Off-White sneakers. I'm quite sure. I seen a couple new ones coming out. So, yeah, guys, let me know what's your favorite out the whole Off-White series. Mine's, I would have to go with the Air Max 90s. You know what I'm saying? That's my favorite Off-White sneaker. But the one that I really want to get is the Chicago ones. But let me know if y'all got that. If y'all don't got the Chicago ones, yeah, let me know. I need that. That's a grail sneaker right there. Let me know. But yeah, these, woo, super fire. Oh my God. I had the UNC Off-White Blues too. Let me know if y'all want me to do a review on that. And that's a throwback. I had so many Off-Whites. These was a great, great sneaker. Like the best release, I think. You know what I'm saying? Off-White, best release, sneaker release ever in sneaker culture. Like Off-White, they did it. Virgil did his thing. I ain't going front. He's still doing it. Crazy shit. More Off-White. I see it. What's the last Off-White that came out, guys? I forgot at this point. It was so many Off-White that came out. But yeah, guys, let me know. Yeah, guys, so you already know. But yeah, I'm about to be out. Enjoy your day. And yeah, it's about to be lit. I'm about to get more sneakers for the 2024. And yeah, I got so many sneakers that I'm about to review. So yeah, guys. So make sure you comment, like, subscribe. Let me know. Enjoy your day.